Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar, and today's video topic is containment in Java. So first, let discuss what is containment. So the containment is another name is the composition. So containment is a way to design or implement the has a relationship. So what is has a relationship? So composition and inheritance both are design techniques. The inheritance is used to implement the is a relationship. The has a relationship is used to ensure the code reusability in our program. So in a composition we use an instance variable that refers to another object. So this is the difference between has a relationship and is a relationship. The composition relationship of two objects is possible when one object contains another object. Means inheritance when occurred, that time it is possible to containment in Java, and that object is fully dependent on it. The contained object should not exist without the existence of its parent object. So in a simple way we can say it is a technique through which we can describe the reference between two or more classes, and for that we use the instance variable which should be created before it is used. So let's take an example. So there is a car which we can divide into two parts, engine and vehicle. So engine has a relationship, and a vehicle and a car is a relationship. So there are a few key points. The composition represents a part of relationship. Both entities are related to each other in the composition. The composition between two entities is done when an object contains a composed object, and the composed object cannot exist without another entity. For example, if a university has a college list, then a college is a whole and college list are parts of that university. So favor composition over inheritance. So if a university is deleted, then all corresponding colleges for that university should be deleted. So let's take an example of university and its colleges to understand the concept of a composition. So we create a class college that contains variables, and that is name and address. So we also create a class university that has a reference to the refer to the list of colleges. So a university can have more than one colleges. So if a university is permanently closed, then all colleges automatically within that particular university will be closed, because colleges cannot exist without a university. So the relationship between the university and college is a composition. Thank you.